Want to unlock your Android phone faster and more securely? In this video, I'll show you how to set up fingerprint unlock step by step for quick access and better protection. Step 1. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Step 2. Inside the Security section, locate and select Lock Screen. This is where Samsung stores all security features, including fingerprint, face unlock, PIN, password, and pattern lock settings. Step 3. Before enabling fingerprint unlock, Samsung requires you to set up a backup security option. You can choose one of the following: PIN, password, pattern lock. Select the option you prefer and complete the setup process by following the on-screen instructions. Step 4. After creating your backup lock, tap on fingerprint and then press continue. Now the phone will guide you through the fingerprint registration process. Place the finger you want to use directly on the fingerprint sensor. Each time the device scans your finger, lift it slightly and place it back at a different angle. This allows the Galaxy S25 to capture every part of your fingerprint for better accuracy and faster unlocking. Keep repeating this process until the progress bar reaches 100%. Step 5. Finish the setup. Once the fingerprint is fully registered, you can either add another fingerprint or tap Done to complete the setup. Now your Samsung Galaxy S25 is ready to unlock instantly using your fingerprint. Now you can unlock your Android phone easily with your fingerprint. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.